Executive Committee, Mr. J.R. Carpo, Mr. Norman Delfino, and yours truly, your partner, Mr. Silence Mukapra, Game Start. Here we go! Jump in between Malaka, Lupin, and Drummond. First ball possession. It's Mahara. First ball. Oh, what a play! It's coming from Mr. Mahaba, who's three-pointer. Is on the throat using the feet. Inside pass, and in play! It's Moreno. Manyanita to Mahaba. Back to Moreno. Moreno finds an opening. Inside pass, Tapano. Using the feet, inside pass, Tilizar, 10 seconds on the shot clock, is carried by Manganina. Left-handed down on goal, Tilizar, Lamar, pressure, and eyes of Plaza on the third line. Miscommunication was Moreno, to Lapalwa, back to Moreno, kicks it out, Moreno plays. 10 seconds on the shot clock, Moreno. Alan Brown, Tilizar. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Left-handed down, and go home. Here comes Moreno, on there. Napalwa, Allen playing on the brim. Moreno, inside pass to win. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Cross-court pass, Mahaba in pass. Moreno on the rebound, finds an opening. What a pass. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Tapano. Mahaba tries to run the ball and go. Mahaba down for the goal. 10 seconds on the shot clock. And the ball taking the goal. It's still in the middle. Here comes the other line of the ang child prodigy ng Barangay Balibig, Padrino. Padrino finds an opening. Malabas, Tilizar. Back to the Palwa. Scoring by Tilizar. It's level. Padrino. An opening. Mahaba, left open, links it out, to the Kabin, pull up somewhere, one goal. Here comes the boom. Madrino, exactly, Moreno, the president. It's Manganina. Manganina, and pass, one goal. Mahaba. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Manuelita. Aim fires. In and out. Magpangit na daliwa ng Ugale. Si Madrino. Halog. Inside pass. Out of play. Using the feet. First team foul. Moreno. Left-handed player. Here comes the rider. On one. To Alejandro. Makes it up. Mahaba. Cross-court pass. Moreno. Aim fires. To show about the win the rebound to Alejandro. Here comes Alejandro. Spin design. Reverse layup. Let's go. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Official score 23-16. Barangay Laylay up by 7. Moreno on top of the lead. Finds an opening, but there's a whistle. Mahaba. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Moreno. He's still in the Labay. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Pulizar to Halupod. Exactly 1 minute remaining. Halupod. Barangay Balimbing. 35 seconds remaining. Seconds on the shot clock. Halupod finds an opening. One shot. It's good. 15 seconds remaining. Green. That shot is good. 10 seconds remaining. Foul, jersey number 13, pushing foul. First quarter, our losing score 20 against 27. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Halupod on Laundry, Rogo, upcoming. Labay, it's good. Moreno. Here comes the beam. Back to Masano. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Mahaba. There's a contact. Hinosa in traffic. Finds an opening. The green is good. The one for the win. Maramon is started by Moreno. Moreno makes it up. Puts it in. Just more 22-31. 31. Labay setting a play to Halupod. Very 10 on the shot clock. Halupod, Labay. Finds an opening. Labay. Hinosa to the rebound. It's Moreno. Moreno releases. Labay sa tingin. Halutot. Labay, back to Halutot. Labay, finds an opening. Labay, left hand down the floor. Moreno finds an opening. Lupin finds another. Basket fouled. Ugaile. Then on the shot clock, on the 12, aim, in and out. It's Mahama, bounce shot, good. Mahama, number 2. On the 12, back to Labay. Ugaile, back to the 12. Fakes, and on the shot clock. Ugaile. Labay, let's go. Hilizar to Labay. Labay fakes. Masyadong mababa ang pasas. Pero kay Lubin. Lubin. Unsportsmanlike foul. Hilizar. Labay on long three. Labay. 31. 43 rather. Labay. It's coming by Moreno. Moreno left open. Lays it up. Silent pause. On a drive by Lubin. Hour to the score. Take a peek. Labay. Good keepers coming from the center line. It's Moreno. Inside pass, Hinosa. 10 on the shot clock. Hinosa, pull-up jumper. Lupin. Back for the ball. 10 on the shot clock. Denied. Labay to Hilizar. Pull-up jumper. Way off the ball. Moreno. Magbanwa. Almost stolen. Moreno finds an opening. Inside pass. Making his move. Mahaba. Turn it on the floor. Halutot on top of the 8 bars. Too strong, too short. Crossword pass, stolen win. Halutot, 3-on-2 situation. Labay, bounce shot, good. Corner action, Magbanwa on the basketball. Looking for his teammate. Finds Minay in the corner. 8 bars. Mahaba to the rebound. Minay inside pass. Magbanwa. 20 seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining. 10 on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. 7 seconds remaining. 4 seconds remaining. 3 seconds. And 25-33, Moreno. Denied. Kicks it out. Here comes the return. Nice boxer. Ayaw talagang kumalik na ng tira ng sa return. Manguera, Moreno, left open. Nice shot, it's good. Labay, using the pick, Labay finds an opening. Left hand and fire, it's good. It's Mahaba setting away. 10 on the shot clock. Minay. Mahaba, 5 seconds on the shot clock. It's Pinazar. To Labay. Labay finds an opening. There's the contact. Halutov on Samtadi. 10 on the shot clock. Labay breaks, drives, finds an opening. There is Leon, it's good. 2 points for Labay. Stolen by Ugarte. Halutov. The hitter, it's good. 2 points for Halutov. Swingers on the shot clock. It's Stolen, Halutov. Makes it up, puts it in. Dumidikit. Labay, power rebound. It's Labay, 2-on-1 celebration. Labay, makes it up, he's stronger. It's Mahaba. Mahaba, following up his shot. He went by the pin. Manguera, back shot, 5 on the shot clock. Back to Mahaba, aim, fires. Kusol, bottom of the left, the roll. It's Moreno, inside pass, Mahaba, the power, it's good. Here comes the return. Balik sa dalawang po, kalamangan. Pinazar, back to the return. Pinazar finds an opening, loses the ball. Hinosa, ang dulas, Mr. Mahaba. Lays it up, puts it in. Ugarte. Labay, aim high. And then Labay finds an opening for the paper. And then it's Halutov on Samtadi. Halutov. 10 on the shot clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Labay. Moreno. Mahaba, aim, fires. Hinosa for the rebound. Moreno, mahaba. 10 on the shot clock. Mahaba, final opening, Kapura, Logo, Lupin, Labay, back to Labay. Setting play. Cross-court pass, Labay, in fires. Labay, 30 seconds remaining. 25 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining. 10 on the shot clock. Magpala. Lupin. It's Moreno. Fires an opening. Inside pass. Magpala. Almost misses the ball. Labay still on. It's on the top. Magpala. Makes it out. Puts it in. Double foul. Jersey number 5 ng Barangay Balimbing Lugere and jersey number 10 ng Barangay Laylay Hinosa. Nag-iinit ang depensa dito sa pagitan ng Mr. Lugere and Hinosa. Moreno breaks, runs, top shot, one goal. Mahaba, Labay, Labay, here comes Mahaba. One-on-one defense. One-to-one defense. Sa pinapakita dito ng Barangay Balimbing. Mahaba, five and opening. Yet there's a one-up. Foul jersey number 5. Iligin sa bench shooting 2. Napimpitan pa rin po ito. Here comes Salutod. Magkamit. Labay, Alutod. 10 on the shot clock. Alutod, way off the ball. Hinosa for the rebound. 4-on-3 situation. Lupin. Moreno, pull-up jumper. Let's go. Rebound for Moreno. Labay. At first the outside. Shooting 3. Moreno, second personal foul. Calling play. Hinosa now on the basketball. Got it over the whip. Inside pass. Kevin Nex. Calling play. Bilis on. Ando na sa baba. Magpala. Turn around shot. Reverse layup. Scoop goal. From the Mr. Magpala. Laban. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 15. Our first one by Cup. Moreno, inside pass, Hinosa, good find, para back finish, Pinizar, Alumno. Inside pass, Pinizar, Hinosa, Magbarwa, fakes, bounce shot, Hinosa, fakes, bounce shot, Laban, 8 fouls. Magdamit. But there's a contact. Foul, just number 1. Personal foul. Third personal foul at Laban. Boleh berap? Minal, champion. Magbarwa, long three. Using the cup, Mr. Labay, Aaron, pwede ka bumalik. Mahaba, 8 fouls. Rocco. Labay King. Cameras, Labay, Aaron. Labay, takes it out, Labay. Jersey number 18.